Hello everyone, I'm glad you joined me today for this short video to compare and contrast the differences between the Bissell Power Force and the Shark rocket. This evaluation should help you answer for yourself such questions as, what are my priorities and what makes sense for me? You may be thinking it's an unfair comparison because the vacuums are two different types. Bissell is considered an upright vacuum and the Shark is a stick vacuum. Actually, I want to compare these two vacuums that I've owned and used over the years and the fact that they both have one job to do: vacuum. Let's start with a feature comparison. They are both bagless, they have washable filters, while Bissell has a larger dust capacity and cleaning path that weighs more. The cord length is similar on both and life expectancy too. Each has a wand, crevice tool, and brush, and Shark has a longer warranty. Now let's discuss the differences. Number 1, power and height buttons. Shark is more convenient with the power and setting button on the handle. It's one touch. Bissell has the power switch and height adjustment on the base, 2 touch. The second difference, car vacuuming. In the Shark, we remove the wand and add the crevice tool or brush to vacuum your car. With Bissell, you add the crevice tool or brush to the hose for car vacuuming. The third difference, reaching underneath furniture. As you can see in the picture, Shark can reach underneath furniture with ease, where Bissell is limited to reach underneath the furniture before it bonks its main body. The fourth difference is price. Bissell Power Force is $50 to $60, where Shark Rocket is $120 to $140. For a moment, let's discuss price. I tell my kids, spending less today keeps money in your pocket for tomorrow. This chart shows the cost difference over time as a simple example. Let's say you buy the $50 Bissell in 2014, and you're rough on your vacuum and it breaks down every 3 years after the 2-year warranty is expired. After 6 years, you would have spent approximately $150 on 3 new Bissell machines. At the same time, in 2014, your neighbor buys a Shark at $130, and it breaks down 6 years later after the 5-year warranty has expired. After 6 years, they would have spent approximately $260 on 2 new Shark machines. So after 6 years, you would have $110 more in your pocket than your neighbor. Think about what is important to you in owning a vacuum. Is it ease in use and storage? Is it capacity, weight, cleaning path, warranty, price over time? While I have enjoyed owning both of these vacuums, I also found them both to be reliable. I also enjoy the idea of buying a new vacuum if and when one breaks down without having to part with my hard-earned money. I hope this video has helped you in defining some priorities and thoughtfully considering what you need your vacuum to do. One more thing. When you do buy your vacuum, be sure to empty your dustbin after each session and clean your filters regularly, and they will outlast the length of your warranty and maybe even their expected lifespan. I'm glad you took the time to compare these two vacuums and hope this helped you make sense of your vacuum buying decision. Feel free to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to a YouTube channel doesn't cost you money. It is, however, a useful way to keep track of the activities of your favorite YouTube video creators in order to see more content from those channels. See you next time!